Welcome to another video brought to you by Photoshop Unleashed. Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can use the pen tool, which is right here on the toolbar, to create some really cool effects and abstract designs for your project. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create a new layer. You want to go to the brush. You want to set it to 0 hardness with 5 or 7 pixels. And you want to change your foreground color to white. So yeah, go to the pen tool, click on shape layers. We'll go to path in a couple minutes or so. So yeah, you can use the shapes layers to create some dynamic shapes. So imagine this point, imagine this part where I started right here is the focal. So wherever you click on, it's going to follow it. So you can go there to extend it. If I click here, clicking this a couple of times, you can create some really complex detail pieces for like abstract art or like some really cool effect. So you can right click it, you can make a selection, change your feather radius like maybe like 5 or 10, but I'm just gonna leave mine at 0 for demonstration. And then you can just like move it around, put it in like other graphics. So I'm just gonna go back to it. Yeah, you can right click it. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this. I'm gonna create a new layer, but this time I'm gonna go down to the paths. Now with the paths you can create this nice like wire or like nice glow effect, or, like sometimes you can do with it. And I use this mostly in my artwork, especially when it's with people. It's more effective. What you can do is a couple clicks, you can get this effect, which is really awesome. Second, need to position this. Alright, so now that you have this path, you can set as different as you want. It doesn't have to be exact. You can go ahead and click stroke paths. You want to make sure that it's set to brush. Make sure this is checked to simulate pressure. When I hit OK, notice how you see the white path as your foreground color. And you want to delete the path, so you can do is you can right click and you can delete the path. So now you have this really cool effect. And if you want to move it to reposition it, go ahead and go to the move tool. You can go ahead and move it a little bit. I want to move it a little bit just so it's nice in the center. Alright, now you may think this is kind of just dull and just simple, but you can change the oh, where am I going? You can right click, you can go ahead and go to the blending options. You can go to the, I like to add in the inner shadows because there's a really nice effect. No, inner shadow. Change it to a normal. Leave it around like 83. Change the distance to sometimes 5, maybe 6. I'm gonna hit OK. Now, this is just a black and white wire thing. Now you wanna, like, it's nothing fancy about it, but you can go to the eraser. Make sure it's hardened, not soft brush. Now you can delete some parts of it as if, like the object is within it. Excuse me. Go ahead and like, delete some part. You notice how the wire is like coiling the object, and then a really cool effect. I just want to delete that part. So now you have this really cool effect. Now if you want to change the color of it, go ahead and go to image adjustments. hue saturation. You want to tick colorize, you want to bring the lightness down, and you want to bring the saturation up a little bit to like, but you also want to leave, you also want to show the the gradiency of the black and the white. You want to change the hue if you want to change the color. Saturation, bring it up a little bit. You can change the color, whatever you prefer. I prefer to leave it a nice neon green color, something like that. So yeah, with this effect you can create really complex images that's really attractive. So yeah, thanks for watching this video.